what's up, and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is safe. I hope you're practicing proper hygiene. So let's get into the tutorial for today. Today we're gonna be creating this like really dramatic but not so dramatic nude makeup. So first off, excuse my crusty ass nails. I just was so lazy to actually clean off this nail polish and repaint my nails. But yeah, anyways, moving on. So now, guys, I'm going into my Firm and Glow Serum from Valjean, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going into my Boots number 7 Perfect Intense Cream. So this cream, this is actually my first time of actually using it, and it smells so good. Like, oh my goodness, like you can see the reaction on my face to show how good it smells. And my face just feels really really moisturized, so I really like that about the moisturizer. So now once I'm done moisturizing, I'm just going into my I'm actually doing my face today first. This is actually my first time of actually doing my face before my eyes. Usually I like to do my eyes before my face, but yeah, we try new things every day. So I'm gonna prime with my Revlon Photo Ready Anti Shine Plus Balm Primer. And once I'm done with that, I'm going into my Mary Kay matte 3D foundation. So if you haven't seen my review of this foundation, I'm gonna put the link up above, so just click on the link and check out my review and what I think about this foundation. So yeah, I'm just applying this foundation, and now I'm just going to quickly cream contour with my Black Opal cream foundation. After I am done contouring my foundation, after I'm done contouring my cheeks, I am going to be going into my highlight. So I'm using my concealer to highlight. You guys know the drill now, like basic every. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch or continue watching through this. Then when we get to the eyes, I will come back to continue this audio.
Body get me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body get your fire can cool. Wait, she say she want the rundown. Bad man na me they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me they run town. One time, say she no want waste time. Bad man me like give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man me like give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving all her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor.
Okay, guys, so now on to the eyes. I left all that powder on my under eye just to catch any fallout in case, because this is the first time I'm actually using this eyeshadow that I'm going to use for this tutorial today. So this is the Barry M's Wildlife eyeshadow. Guys, this eyeshadow is so beautiful. My goodness, can you see these colors? Like oh my goodness, like you can actually create any kind of look with just this six, or with just this, how many, 9 eyeshadows. Like you can create any look you want. It's just so beautiful. And oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting the pigmentation. Like look at my face. I wasn't expecting this eyeshadow to be this pigmented. My goodness, the pigmentation is amazing. Shout out to my elder sister who actually got me this palette. Like she sent me a care package of some brand new makeup, so I was really excited about it. And this is one of the eyeshadows that came in the care package. So I'm super stoked about this. Like this has fast become one of my favorite eyeshadows right now. So yeah, I am super in love with the eyeshadow. The colors are super pigmented, and oh my goodness. So anyways, let's just get on with the tutorial. So guys, I went for my first transition shade. I went into the shade called Ferocious. That's the orange shade you saw me applying first. Then I went into the shade called Savannah. So I used that to just blend out that Ferocious, just to create a seamless blend for my transition colors. So now once I'm done blending all those transition colors together, I am going to be cutting my crease. Guys, whenever you're doing a cut crease, try to take your time, because it's not easy. Even me, I'm still getting the hang of doing a cut crease. But yeah, when you're doing a cut crease, try to take your time, and I might probably do like a tutorial for like beginners cut crease. If you'd like me to do that, just let me know in the comment section, and I will do a video on beginners or cut crease for beginners. So yeah.
From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma.
So after cutting my crease with my Snazaro white face paint, my first shade is going to be this shade called Pearl. So it's kind of like an ivory matte shade. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that on the inner corners of my eye.
Yeah, I want it me day. Hurricane.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going back into that Savannah shade now, and I'm putting that just right after the ivory shade or the matte shade that we just put. So be sure to always blend when you're doing cut creases. Be sure to, and if you're using many colors, be sure to always blend each color into each other. Does that make sense? Blend all the colors into each other. I think that's much better. So yeah.
Time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time.
So once I'm done blending those two colors together, I'm going into this shade called Prowl. It's like a really dark brown shade. So I'm just going to use that on my outer V just to create some smoke at the end of my eyeshadow or the end of my cut crease.
Like a hurricane, I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Now the key to any eyeshadow look is to blend. Like you have to blend like your life depends on it. Blend, 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 blend every color into each other. So now once I am done with blending those few colors, I'm going into this shade called Snow. It's kind of like a shimmery brown shade. So I'm just going to use that to blend the brown shade and then the dark brown shade and the light brown shade together. So blending those, then I'm also going back into that that dark brown shade to also blend. So done blending, I'm just going to line my eyes with my Marbrook eyeliner. So after lining my eyes, I didn't want a like conspicuous wing liner. So as I put the wing liner, I actually blended out the tail of the wing liner so you don't see any tail. Instead, you're creating a more smoky look with the eyeliner. So now because I didn't really want or I wanted a little bit more, I went into the shade called Feline and I applied that in on top of that matte shade that we applied first. So once I finished applying that matte shade, just to create some more shimmer to it. So once I'm done applying that matte shade, I went into the shade called Kingdom and applied that on my brow bone. And yeah, remember blend, blend, blend. Whatever eyeshadows you add, always blend them into each other. So blended the Kingdom into my transition colors.
Hurricane.
So now we're done or partially done with the eyes, and I am going to just finish up my face. So I think this is like my face is kind of like self-explanatory, blending, um, highlights, contour, and yeah.
To testing my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her.
So for the eyes, I am using this Paula Beauty white eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is not white per se. It's more of an iridescent. So it's kind of shimmery, but I just love these eyeliners. She recently came out. The owner Paula actually came out recently with this one. So I wanted to try it, and I actually love it. Like it's not too white, but it creates that shimmer or that glisten on your under eye. So yeah, applying that, I then went with the Marbrook eyeliner to create like a cat eye or like extend my wing in front basically. Once I'm done with that, I went back into that dark brown eyeshadow called Prowl and I just used that to smoke my waterline. So applied these lashes, guys. These lashes were hella dramatic, but I just loved it. Like They were a bit heavy, I won't lie, but I actually liked the way it made my eyes look very dramatic. So yeah. Now we're going back into the face. Yeah.
Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me, na give her one time, night time.
So guys, to set my face, I am using this Barry M Flawless Mist and Fix Illuminating Finish Spray. Guys, this is my first time. This was actually also one of the things my sister sent to me in my care package, and this illuminating spray is so nice. Like, this is my first time using it, and I actually like, you looked dewy but not like over dewy. So which I liked. I actually enjoyed using it. So thumbs up for that.
Yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
Now, come on, who doesn't like a little highlighter when your cheeks are glowing to the gods? So, highlighted with my Sonia Kashuk, and I'm applying my blush. This blush is from Kiliema Cosmetics. It's actually a Nigerian brand. So, they actually sell like organic makeup products. Like, they use only organic things to make their products. So, they're Nigerian based. So, if you're in Nigeria, you'd like to buy some things from them, yeah, I'll put down their Instagram handle in the description box. So yeah, so to my lips, I'm going in with my NYX liner in Grasshopper. I'm just going to apply that on my lips. Sorry, in Club Hopper. I said Grasshopper. In Club Hopper. So applying that on my lips. Now I'm going into this PS lip liner. I'm just applying that all over my lips. Then going into this matte lipstick. Guys, I didn't know this lipstick was this pigmented. Oh my goodness, you can see how my eyes just lit up. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that. At first, I wanted these lips to be matte, but when I looked at it, I was like, nah. So I eventually added some gloss on top of that, and yeah. So this is the finished look. Put on my wig, change my top. This is the entire look, guys. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Comment if you like the look, if you would actually try the look, and if you'd like me to do a cut crease for beginners, also let me know in on the comment section. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.
Body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't